Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest kids car on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best kids car of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: 12V Kids Ride on Truck Car. Their best choice products. 12V Kids Ride on Truck Car is a versatile and engaging toy designed to offer children a realistic driving experience. This ride-on truck features a 12-volt rechargeable battery that powers its electric motor, enabling kids to enjoy extended play sessions. The truck is equipped with a parent remote control, providing parents with the ability to guide the vehicle and ensure their child's safety. Key features of this model include spring suspension for a smoother ride, enhancing comfort over varied terrain. The LED lights not only add to the vehicle's aesthetic appeal but also improve visibility during evening play. An auxiliary port is included, allowing kids to play their favorite music, further enhancing the enjoyment and realism of the ride. The truck's grey color gives it a sleek and modern look, appealing to both children and parents. With its combination of safety features, realistic design, and additional entertainment options, the best choice products 12V Kids Ride on Truck Car is a popular choice for those looking to provide a fun and safe driving. Product 2. Product name: Toby 12V Kids Ride on Car. The Toby 12V Kids Ride on Car is an electric off-road UTV truck designed specifically for young children aged 3 to 5 years. This vibrant fluorescent green vehicle is packed with features that ensure both safety and entertainment. It includes forward and reverse driving functions, allowing children to experience a more realistic and versatile driving experience. For added safety, the Toby ride-on car is equipped with a safety belt, ensuring that young drivers remain secure while navigating various terrains. The double open doors enhance accessibility and realism, making it easy for kids to get in and out of the vehicle just like a real car. In terms of entertainment, this ride-on car comes with built-in music and a horn, which can keep children engaged and entertained as they drive. Additionally, the vehicle features working lights, which not only add to the fun but also increase visibility during play. Product 3. Product name: Force 1 Tornado LED Remote Control Car. The Force 1 Tornado LED Remote Control Car for kids is an exciting and versatile toy designed to provide endless entertainment for young enthusiasts. This remote-controlled car is equipped with several notable features that enhance its performance and appeal. Double-sided design: the car's ability to drive on both sides allows it to perform impressive 360-degree flips and stunts, making it a thrilling toy for kids who love action-packed play. For WD off-road capability, with four-wheel drive, the Tornado LED can handle a variety of terrains. Whether it's indoors, on the carpet, or outdoors on grass and gravel, this car can navigate different surfaces with ease. All-terrain tires: the robust tires are designed to provide excellent traction and durability, ensuring that the car can tackle rough and uneven surfaces without getting stuck. LED lights: the car is equipped with bright LED lights, which not only add a cool visual effect but also make it fun to play with in low-light conditions or at night. Rechargeable batteries: the inclusion of rechargeable batteries makes the Tornado LED both economical and environmentally friendly, as it eliminates the need for constant battery replacements. Easy remote control: the remote control is designed to be user-friendly, making it simple for kids to operate the car and perform tricks and stunts. Product 4. Product name: Little Tikes Cozy Coupe 30th Anniversary Car. The Little Tikes Cozy Coupe 30th Anniversary Car is a celebrated version of the iconic toy car, marking 3 decades of delighting children worldwide. This non-assembled model, packaged in standard packaging, features a multicolor design and measures 29.5 by 16.5 by 33.5 inches. Known for its classic appeal and durable construction, the Cozy Coupe has been a staple in children's outdoor play. The 30th Anniversary Edition maintains the charming, retro aesthetic while incorporating modern enhancements to ensure safety and functionality. This product remains a popular choice for parents and gift givers, symbolizing timeless childhood joy and imaginative play. Product 5. Product name: Legend N9 Ride on Excavator. The Legend N9 Ride on Excavator is a versatile and engaging toy designed for young children aged 3 to 8. This ride-on car is equipped with a fully electric digging arm, which provides an authentic excavator experience, allowing kids to engage in imaginative play and develop motor skills. Key features of the Legend 9 include its powerful 4x75W motors, which enable it to handle various terrains with ease. This capability makes it an excellent choice for outdoor play in diverse environments. The vehicle is powered by a 12V10Ah large battery, ensuring extended playtime before needing a recharge. The excavator also includes a remote control feature, allowing parents to assist or take control when necessary, ensuring the safety and guidance of younger children. Additionally, the built-in Bluetooth function provides entertainment options, allowing kids to enjoy their favorite music while playing. This ride-on excavator is not only a fun toy but also a thoughtful gift idea for special occasions like Christmas and birthdays. Its combination of practical features and entertainment options makes it a standout choice for parents looking to provide an enriching and enjoyable experience for their children.